Today we've been doing a little bit of like a graffiti workshop. We've been creating some name plaques for everyone getting involved to take home with them. So we've got graffiti name plaques. I'm just finishing Kelvin's off for him here with an outline, some highlights and a bit of a border. We've also had a little bit of a brainstorming session where we've talked about what we're going to do to help the production come along. And we've got some good ideas for the hallway which we're going to try and get painted on the walls later on.
Wel, bore yma, da ni wedi bod yn paratoi sain ar gyfer darn eich darn chi, sy'n darn Llanol Haearn Eryri. Nath ni fynd dros amball i thema Diwrnod dwytha yn Llanol Haearn ei hun. Wedyn, gafon ni amball i thema yn datblygu rhwng Cain sy'n chwarae'r ffidil fyna a fi, oedd ar y piano lly. So, da ni jyst wedi bod yn recordio amball i elfen o hwnna fan lly. So, allai ddangos yn sydyn beth yn neud o'r fan yma. So, just cysylltu hwn.